You can expect a lot from the 2018 Honda Accord. This 4-door, 5-passenger sedan has not yet reached the 20,000-mile mark. Under the hood, you'll find a 4-cylinder engine with more than 170 horsepower. And for added security, dynamic stability control supplements the drivetrain. The engine breathes better thanks to a turbocharger, improving both performance and economy. Top features include a split folding rear seat, speed-sensitive wipers, fully automatic headlights, lane departure warning, and remote keyless entry. Audio features include an AM/FM radio and 8 speakers, enhancing the audio experience throughout the interior. Honda also prioritized safety and security with features such as front and side impact airbags, ignition disabling, and 4-wheel disc brakes with ABS. This car was designed with safety in mind, allowing you to drive with even greater assurance. Our team is professional and we offer a no-pressure environment. Stop by our dealership or give us a call for more information.